Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back again my channel Nail Vibes. The channel, as you always know, that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time and location. So in case I see my channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on bell notification so that anytime a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So in this video for today, I have the best collections of short red acrylic nail art designs. So I urge you to watch this video to the end so that you can choose the best lights to make on your nails. And as you watch, kindly support this video by hitting the like button, okay? Like the video and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and drop your lovely comment for me there. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. To my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you guys for always coming back to my channel to watch and engage in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in my channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.